Making money online is getting hard just because many people cannot afford even data plan, and even people that can afford data are actually getting exhausted very fast. Imagine you doing monthly data like 3 times in a month, and this is getting out of hand. And I've actually been struggling with it, and I saw a lot of YouTuber, a lot of creator, a lot of people actually in general actually struggling with this particular story about when you tell them, oh, come and do this, come and do, like, I don't have data plan, I don't have data, kind of. So I actually make some research, and this is the thing I actually got, which I'm going to be sharing in this particular video. This particular video actually interests you, you can go ahead to stick around and let's talk about this right here. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is how to actually maintain your data plan. And thank you for stopping by. If you're joining me for the very first time, I talk about cryptocurrency, how to make money online, finance, and thereabouts. So if you're interested in this kind of topic, you can please go ahead to hit on the subscribe button right here and give the video a thumb like to get notified if I drop a new video right now. So thanks so much for joining that. Right, so the first thing first I'm going to talk about, as I said earlier, is actually how to reduce your data usage right now. So we actually know that we have majorly even Nigeria, actually we have major four data, four internet, or let's say network, that are currently working for us right now. We have the Glow, we have Airtel, we have MTN, and we have, I think, 9 Mobile right now. And if you're actually going to agree with me, I think the one people use more is actually MTN and Airtel. But if you want to have another opinion about that, you can go straight to the comment section and drop a comment right now. So I think Glow and 9 Mobile actually have some slow data usage right here, and people actually running from them because of the way the data is actually like they have a good data plan, but the internet is actually not quite good right here. But for Airtel and MTN, I think majority of everyone kind of go for that right now. So all right, so going for that is actually another case study, right? Because when you start making, I think the lowest data plan right now is about I don't know, maybe 500 naira kind of. And if you are making for monthly, I don't know how it is. Let me know in the comment section the data plan you're actually using at this particular moment that is working for you, so people that are actually watching also can actually learn from it, right? So this is what I actually discovered and how to actually minimize your data plan right now. So the first thing for is actually, okay, getting your data, right? That's the first thing you need to do. All right, so if you try to get your data for a month, let's assume you get a data plan for about 20 gig right now. So for that 20 gig, the confidence that you have data is going to be there. Forget it, just forget about it, that you have data. You just subscribe for the month. I have data. You can go anywhere you like and start doing anything you like. You can go to TikTok, you can go to Instagram. Before you check one, you can straight to another one, because you have that confidence, that mind that, oh, I have data right now. This is what is killing a lot of people right now, because that point that if you have something voluminous, like very much, for the way you're going to consume it is actually going to be very fast. But when you have little, when the stuff begins to reduce, you start getting noticed that, oh, my data is getting down, let me start reducing the way I'm going to be checking things online and everywhere, so that it won't finish right here. So that is the issue everybody actually having right now. And what is the solution to this particular issue? Then I tried to do this within the last 2 months right now, and it's actually worked for me right now. Majorly before, I do buy data plan for about a month, and before 1 week I've actually exhausted it, because I consume a lot on the internet right now, especially Instagram consume my data anyhow. This is what I did for a while now. I actually reduced the way I actually buy monthly data. So I started with weekly data, right? So there's some weekly data that I have 7 days right now that you're actually going to buy. And so I already know that this particular data I have to use for 7 days, and it is very small, and I need to achieve some goal right here. I need to do some my mining, I need to do some of my assignment, I need to do some crypto work and then about some research though. So I already know that this is the amount of data I actually have right here. So I know once I go to Instagram, it will finish. So I don't even bother to go to that site. Once I go to other platform that actually going to profit me or add any part to me, currently I don't go to it. So I just go to the little one that actually going to be giving me the research or the thing I actually need at the particular point in time. And I've actually tried it for about 2 months right now, and this is actually working very fine for me, because I'm actually committed to this particular workings right now. Is actually like it's just like the magic. Actually, I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. I just wanted to try it out and see how it's going to work. Before I continue, I have a link at the description of this particular video that links to my Telegram if you want to like get daily updates on new cryptocurrency, new airdrop, and new Deepin project, new testnet that are actually out right now. You can actually go right there. It's at the description of this particular video. You're going to see we have a lot of community right here, people that are also there trying to get information right now. So you can go ahead to get information right here. So let's go back to what we're talking about, right? So I actually said that you need to reduce the normal data you actually buy. So now what I'm doing right now is I've increased to daily plan right here. So my daily plan is quite easy. On MTN, I have an offer for 200 naira for 1 gig right now. So once I know, okay, I want to make some research, I want to do something, then I go right here. I write everything I want to do right down. I know, okay, I want to search about this, I want to do this, I want to do this. Then I actually bought 200 naira for 1 gig. So once I get that particular data, nothing is going to take me to any other platform that does not require what I want to do, because I know I need that particular point to achieve this particular goal. Then I'm going to do my mining. I'm going to start. Even before I do that, I actually noticed that it's actually working for my system also, because when I turn on my system and I post the same thing, I don't on any website. I just run my Chrome or my Edge. I open all my tab, all my mining tab, and every other stuff, and they are working perfectly. And I started using 1 gig for almost a day without actually having any attachment or any other stuff, like 1 gig for almost a day. So this particular method is actually working very fine, and I thought I should share it out to you, my viewers, also. If you can try this out, for people that cannot afford data, this is actually good for you. But if you're the type that can actually afford data, you can do like a data plan for a month in 5 times. Oh, that is fine. You can go ahead with that. For my young creator out there, for my young people that actually struggle to actually make money online and struggling for data also, you can just try to implement this particular strategy I actually talked about right now. Try to plan, try to buy about daily data plan, and write out your goals, write out things you want to use the data for. And if you can do this for a week right here, and let me know the result after you've done that, you can come back to this particular video and come to the comment section, drop a comment, let me know what you have actually achieved and what is actually working for you right here. So you can see this particular video right here is actually going to direct you to the next video, and I will see you right there.